magic is? Well, faith, trust, and pixie dust.
No. 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 No.
Okay, so in the beginning, God created the world, and I think that He gave us the gift of science to make observations and learn, like, things about the world and understand His creation.
I think science is exactly what Paige said.
Alright, so this is science is. Science is observations, tests, data, conclusions that help us understand the world around us.
Newton's laws of motion are 3 physical laws which provide relationships between the forces acting on a body and the motion of the body. You can see these laws in action as the golf club hits the golf ball and as the escalator transports the people from one floor to another. Newton's laws were first compiled in 1687.
Gravity is as simple as things tending to fall downward. Newton never mentioned being hit on the head by an apple, however he did say that he saw an apple fall. Before Newton, Galileo discovered that 2 objects of different weights, an apple and a melon for instance, falling from the same height would hit the ground at the same time. Gravity is simply what goes up must come down, as seen in this bungee jumping.
Science can be seen in the obvious differences between men and women through what some believe is evolution and others is religion.
The colors of the objects that we see are largely due to the way those objects interact with light and ultimately reflect or transmit it into our eyes. The color of an object is not actually within the object itself. Rather, the color is in the light that shines upon it and is ultimately reflected or transmitted into our eyes. Lenses allow light to pass through them, altering light through concave or convex lenses to correct vision problems. Mirrors reflect visible light to display images.
Quantum physics tells us that reality is far beyond human perception and intuition. In other words, our rational mind and common sense are just not capable of understanding the true nature of science. Albert Einstein's popular phrase, "The important thing is to not stop questioning," reflected his never-ending questioning attitude and curiosity. This attitude earned him a Nobel Prize. Einstein totally dismissed the old physics which believed in an absolute space and time and that the speed of light was relative. As seen in today's technology, scientists and inventors have continued on his policies.
The 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Their scientific names are visual, auditory, gustatory, olfactory, and tactile. These senses are used throughout science on a daily basis. We taste delicious foods, watch newly released videos, smell different scents, and listen to popular music. Our senses are the central point of science.
The meaning of science. We all have our thoughts, but I know the true meaning. That meaning, according to scientists, because they're science, nothing decided one day that it didn't want to be nothing anymore. So nothing exploded into a big ball of more nothing that had a chain reaction with nothing, and then the stars, the planets, Earth, water, fish, dinosaurs, everything, nothing became everything, and that's the meaning of science.